We've got enough for everyone. Easy now, little one. Shadow, this heat is getting too strong. The earth is so dry and dusty. Look, Shadow, the first signs of suffering. So many are suffering. The drought has taken so much. They are so weak, we cannot just watch. Shadow, we have to help them. This is our home, we cannot let the valley die like this. Let's find water and some food for them. I remember a hidden spring. There is still hope. That's it, Shadow. We've got enough for everyone. Easy now, little one. There's plenty for all. Drink, little one. You will be strong again. It's not enough yet, but it's a start. The heat is very strong, and many are suffering. But as long as we are here, we will keep helping. The valley has given us so much beauty, and now it's our turn to give back.